Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back. If you don't know who I am, you're probably thinking, who is this weirdo? But basically, guys, I specialize in saving you cash on pretty much anything. Today, I focus my efforts in finding you the best Shein promo codes, and I've done so. I'm gonna show you guys how to get $100 off your next order with a simple Shein coupon code. This works in 2023 and will continue to work into 2024. So let me head to my desk, record my mobile, and show you guys how to get your Shein promo code. Let's do this. Yo, what's up, guys? So this video is gonna explain where you can get a $100 discount code for Shein. Now, as you probably are aware, Shein always has offers, discount codes, and what have you, but they're always, they're good, but they're nothing amazing. So I set about looking to find the best available and working discount code for Shein in 2023. And you're gonna be surprised what I found, guys. This is a $100 discount code and it works site-wide. So that means you can use it against already in the sale items. You can use it against full-priced items, anything you want. Now, this code, when entered into the basket and at checkout, it's gonna reduce your basket. So you add the items to the basket that you want, and then you enter the discount code, and it's gonna take the $100 off your order. So it's as simple as that. So let me show you guys where you can go ahead and grab a $100 discount code for Shein, and this works worldwide. So it doesn't have to be in the US, it doesn't have to be in the UK. You can use it worldwide, and it's gonna be the equivalent of your currency. So let me show you. You need to grab your mobile phone. Step one. You can do it on your computer, but I recommend doing it on your mobile phone. It's so much more simple. We need to go to the following website. Okay, so you gotta type it exactly like that into your internet on your mobile device. giftcardhero.net. Okay, so now Gift Card Hero provide all sorts of gift cards and apps and things on here. So we need to look for the Shein page, discount page. So we need to press menu, go to search. I'm just gonna type Shein. And there we go, Shein promo codes 2023, coupon/discount. So we're gonna click that. You can see it's been used over 2,000 times and rated 5 stars. Basically, if this was, say, 1 star, that means people were saying, hey, this code isn't working, but obviously this is a working code. And as you can see, $100 off your order, exclusive code, new and existing customers. So usually codes are only for new customers, to try and get a new lifetime customer for Shein, but this is for everyone. So if you've already shopped at Shein before, you can use this code and still get $100. So it's a really cool code. So we need to click this reveal promo code button, guys. Now, Gift Card Hero has sort of partnered up with these different apps and offers. Basically, this is a way for them to provide us these codes for free. So we need to just read below each one and pick 2 that you want to complete. So I prefer doing the survey type ones because they're pretty quick. So I'm gonna click this top one. Answer whatever questions. Now it's gonna ask me to input my email. So guys, you want to put in your correct information. I did try to trick it by putting in fake information, and it recognized that it wasn't real. So put in your correct information, and it basically just emails you the code and other Shein discount codes. So I'm gonna do this, go back, do a second one, and I'll return, and we'll see if it's unlocked the code. It took me a few minutes, but I successfully, I hope so anyway, did 2 of these offers on here. So now when we go back to Gift Card Hero, there we go. It's now revealed the full code. Essentially, guys, this is a random bunch of numbers and letters, but this is a one-time use code to reduce your basket by $100. So once someone's used this one code, you've got to go and reveal a fresh code for yourself. So to get your code, follow the steps in this video and save yourself $100. I mean, as you can see in the background here on my screen, $100 goes a long way on Shein. This is the sale items, and you get in sort of sweaters for $10 and skirts for like $20 and what have you. So $100 goes a long way, guys. Follow the steps in this video, and I hope you enjoy your Shein haul. Peace out.